Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change YouTube notification sound. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so in order to change the notification sound, we got a couple of different options, and it just depends on what type of Android device you've got or iPhone device, and also what region you're in as well. So the first method is to open up the YouTube application, click on your user profile icon. Then from here in the top right, we want to click onto settings. Now inside of settings, we want to go ahead and scroll down and click onto notifications. Now inside of here, you might have the option to change your sound here, but because I'm in Australia, I don't have that option. So the second method is to go ahead and click into settings. And basically I have to use the second option because I'm on some of these Android phones, YouTube uses your device's default notification sound, so changing the system notification tone will also change YouTube's sound. So if I go ahead and scroll down, click onto notifications, sound and vibration, not notifications, so click into that. Now from here, you want to click on notification sound, and now just go ahead and change your system sound, and that's going to change your YouTube notification sound, and that's the best option because, as I said, some Android phones and the region where you reside in, you might not have the option inside of YouTube to change it specifically for that application.